Eat Wise for Eyes, Dry Eye Relief Through Diet. What the research says. Can the food you eat actually help relieve dry eyes? It's a question more and more people are asking, from office workers glued to screens to older adults experiencing age-related tear issues. The good news? Research is showing that nutrition does play a role in supporting healthy tears and reducing inflammation that contributes to dry eye syndrome. In this video, we'll explore what the latest science says about using diet to relieve dry eyes. We'll cover the key nutrients, the best foods, what to avoid, and how small changes at the table might bring big relief. Welcome to Eat Wise for Eyes, where we turn evidence into action to nourish your vision, one meal at a time. What is dry eye syndrome? Let's start with what we're dealing with. Dry eye syndrome affects between 10 and 30% of adults worldwide. It happens when your eyes don't produce enough tears, or when the tears they do produce aren't high enough quality to keep your eyes properly lubricated. Common symptoms include burning, stinging, a gritty feeling, light sensitivity, and blurry vision that improves with blinking. For some, it's mild and occasional. For others, it's daily and life-disrupting. And while artificial tears and medications can help, many people don't realize that what you eat can influence your tear quality and eye comfort. Why diet matters. So why does food matter for dry eye? Research shows that inflammation plays a key role in dry eye syndrome. The surface of the eye can become inflamed, leading to unstable tears and faster evaporation. Certain nutrients, especially anti-inflammatory fats, vitamins, and antioxidants, have been shown to help reduce this inflammation and improve tear production and stability. Simply put, the right foods can support healthier tears from the inside out. Here are the 5 most important nutrients research has connected to dry eye relief. First, omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been shown in multiple studies to reduce inflammation and improve tear quality. You'll find them in salmon, sardines, mackerel, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Second, vitamin A, which helps maintain the health of the conjunctiva and the cornea. Food sources include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, and other leafy greens. Third, vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports collagen in the cornea and protects against oxidative stress. Good sources include oranges, bell peppers, strawberries, and kiwi. Fourth, vitamin E, another antioxidant that protects eye tissues from damage. You'll find it in almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts. And fifth, zinc, which supports vitamin A transport and the health of retinal cells. Zinc is found in pumpkin seeds, lentils, chickpeas, and seafood like oysters. By including these nutrients regularly, you give your eyes the building blocks they need for healthier tears. Foods to emphasize. So what does that look like on your plate? Here are some foods to prioritize if you want to support tear health. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines, 2 to 3 times per week. A mix of orange and green vegetables like carrots, kale, and peppers. Nuts and seeds, including walnuts, flax seeds, chia, and sunflower seeds. Healthy oils like olive oil and flaxseed oil for cooking or drizzling. Hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, citrus fruits, and soups. The goal is to fill your diet with nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory, and hydrating foods that work together to nourish the delicate tissues of the eye. Foods to limit. Just as important as what to add is what to cut back on. Certain foods can worsen inflammation or contribute to dehydration, making dry eye symptoms worse. Limit processed snack foods with artificial ingredients and preservatives, refined sugars and sugary drinks which promote inflammation, trans fats and fried foods that increase oxidative stress, excessive alcohol which can dehydrate the body and eyes, too much caffeine which may worsen dryness in some sensitive individuals. You don't have to be perfect, but reducing these inflammatory and dehydrating foods can improve the impact of the good foods you're adding. Evidence from research. Let's talk evidence. A 2005 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people with higher omega-3 intake had a significantly lower risk of dry eye syndrome. Other research has shown that omega-3 supplements or fish intake reduce symptoms like eye burning or discomfort in people with dry eyes. Additional studies show that anti-inflammatory diets, such as the Mediterranean diet, may also support healthier tears and reduce inflammation markers in the body, indirectly benefiting the eye surface. And staying well hydrated is universally recommended for supporting tear volume and comfort. The science is clear. Food choices can influence the internal environment that supports healthy, stable tears. Let's close with an affirmation, a reminder that your choices matter. I nourish my eyes with every meal. I support healthy tears with healing foods. Each bite brings relief and renewal to my vision. Be sure to subscribe and join me as we continue building a foundation of knowledge and action here at Eat Wise for Eyes, because your vision is worth every mindful bite. Thank you for viewing. See you on the next one.